Upgrade your setup with the futuristic power of the Leobog AMG 65 Tri-Mode mechanical keyboard, a premium custom keyboard built for gamers, creators, and keyboard enthusiasts who demand style, performance, and comfort. Featuring an advanced gasket-mounted structure, ultra-smooth silent switches, and a stunning dual TFT display design, the AMG 65 delivers a next-level typing and gaming experience with ultra-low noise and premium responsiveness. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with tri-mode connectivity, supporting Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB wired mode for seamless switching between devices. The hot swappable PCB allows you to customize your switches without soldering, making it easy to personalize your typing feel anytime. The compact 65% layout saves desk space while keeping essential keys accessible, perfect for gaming setups, office work, and minimalist desks. Dynamic RGB lighting effects, premium keycap. The Leobog AMG 65 mechanical keyboard is a compact, high-performance keyboard designed for gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want both style and precision in one powerful device. Built with a sleek 65% layout, it saves desk space while keeping all essential keys within easy reach, making it perfect for competitive gaming and efficient typing. Featuring triple-mode connectivity, the stylish and compact HXSJ 60% wired transparent gaming keyboard, built for gamers, creators, and minimal desk enthusiasts. Featuring a stunning transparent design with vibrant RGB backlighting, this ultra-compact 61-key keyboard delivers a futuristic look while saving valuable desk space. Perfect for gaming, streaming, office work. Powerful and stylish LINGBAOK 98 Korean mechanical keyboard, designed for gamers, creators, and keyboard enthusiasts who want premium performance with eye-catching anime aesthetics. Featuring a gasket-mounted structure, this keyboard delivers a softer, smoother typing feel with reduced vibration and enhanced comfort during long gaming or work sessions. The tri-mode wireless connectivity supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode, giving you seamless compatibility across PCs, laptops, tablets, and more. Equipped with hot swappable switches, you can easily customize your typing experience without soldering, making it perfect for keyboard modders and enthusiasts. Experience next-level speed and precision with the Gravity Planet 75 RGB Sports Magnetic Shaft Keyboard. Engineered for competitive gamers who demand instant response and premium craftsmanship. Featuring ultra-fast magnetic switch technology with an incredible 0.005 RT precision. Every keystroke feels smooth, accurate, and lightning fast for elite gaming performance. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the Gravity Planet 75 delivers a solid premium feel with a futuristic sports-inspired design. The compact 75% layout saves desk space. OlaWin 60HE magnetic keyboard. Compact power for competitive gaming. Upgrade your setup with the OlaWin 60HE magnetic keyboard, a next-generation 60% gaming keyboard designed for speed, precision, and style. Built with advanced magnetic switch technology, this compact keyboard delivers ultra-fast response times, smooth keystrokes, and customizable actuation for serious gamers and creators. Featuring vibrant RGB backlighting, the Win 60HE transforms your desk with dynamic lighting effects while maintaining a sleek and minimalist 60% layout. Meet the Gravastar V60 Pro magnetic switch mechanical keyboard, a premium, futuristic keyboard built for gamers, creators, and tech enthusiasts who demand speed, precision, and standout design. Next-level magnetic switch performance. Experience ultra-fast response with cutting-edge magnetic switches that deliver near zero latency and incredible accuracy. Whether you're in competitive gaming or rapid typing sessions, every keystroke registers instantly with smooth, consistent actuation. Full aluminum alloy build. Crafted from high-grade all-aluminum material, the V60 Pro offers unmatched durability and a solid, premium feel. Its CNC machine chassis not only enhances stability but also adds a sleek, cyberpunk-inspired aesthetic that elevates any desk setup. Low delay, high-precision gaming designed for serious gamers. This keyboard ensures low input delay and lightning-fast response times. Gain the competitive edge with precise control, faster reactions, and flawless execution in every game. The Gravastar K1 Pro Breaking Cocoon Mechanical Keyboard is a futuristic, high-performance gaming keyboard designed for both competitive esports players and premium desk setups. Built with a distinctive sci-fi aesthetic inspired by a breaking cocoon design, it combines bold visual identity with serious engineering under the hood. Featuring tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB. The K1 Pro ensures seamless switching between devices whether you're gaming, working, or creating. Upgrade your setup with the futuristic power of the Mercury K1 Gravastar Breaking 75 RGB mechanical keyboard. A premium gaming keyboard built for speed, precision, and style. Designed with a compact 75% layout, this keyboard delivers maximum desk space while keeping all essential keys within reach for competitive gaming and productivity. Featuring tri-mode connectivity, the Mercury K1 supports Bluetooth, ultra-fast 2.4G wireless, and wired USB connection, giving you seamless compatibility across PCs, laptops, tablets, and more. The advanced hot swappable design allows you to easily replace switches without soldering, so you can customize your typing experience anytime. Futuristic Gravity Planet K1 Blue Mechanical Keyboard, built for gamers, creators, and everyday productivity. Featuring a stunning blue-themed design and responsive mechanical switches. This keyboard delivers fast, accurate keystrokes for competitive esports, gaming, and smooth office performance. The compact yet durable build combines comfort with style.